Hello, today I am going to talk with the topic functions of public relation. As you all know, public relations is a management function, but the public relation officer has to do some activities for the benefit of the company organization. Every company or organization can fulfill their vision, their mission only by active participation of the public relation department. The different functions of public relation department is media relation. The name itself is going to give the clear idea about media relation is nothing but going to keep a good relation with the media and press. Most of the company organization regularly going to organize press conference, they are going to issue the press releases and even they are going to arrange press tours. The media relations activity is going to cover all the events of a particular organization or company. House journal. House journal is going to consider it as the publication of a particular organization or company. The particular publication is going to distribute internal publics as well as external publics. Every company, organization, they are going to produce a house journal for disseminate the various information about the company as well as organization. The house journal have a name and they are going to bring in monthly or it may be fortnightly. The next function is exhibition. Exhibition is considered it as the best practice of public relation. Through the exhibition, the public relation can reach a number of people, especially the target people. Different organization going to arrange exhibition on different occasion. The public relation officer can make use the exhibition to give their information for the target publics. Community relation. The name itself going to say that the company or organization should keep a good relationship with the community. The community is nothing but the adjacent publics or adjacent people near to the company. Through the community relation activities, the companies are going to give the service for the community in form of education, health, infrastructure or environmental concern. Internal publics. Every company have two kinds of public, internal publics as well as external publics. Internal publics especially concentrated on the publics, those who are working inside the company, inside the organization. The public relation officer is going to give the information in right time for the benefit of the internal publics. External publics. External publics are those who are outside the company. It means it may be dealers, it may be suppliers, it may be community people. The external publics are outside the company. The dealers, investors, suppliers and the community people are considered it as the external publics. The public relation officer should have a good relationship with the external publics for the smooth functioning of the organization activities. Website management. In contemporary era, the website management have a more importance. Anyone can get any information from a particular website. The public relation officer should update the company's website regularly. He should give the instruction to the web management section related to the company's objectives, company's vision, company's mission as well as what they want to give for the society. Public relation agency coordination. Most of the companies or organizations have their own public relation department. Meanwhile, they are going to have a touch with the public relation agencies. Through the public relation agencies, they are going to function various programs of the company, and even they are going to take the assistance to organize the media relation activities. PR budgeting. Budgeting is the main part in the management. Every year, public relation department is going to plan a particular budget for execution of its program for a particular period of time. Even management is going to give special assistance for PR department to achieve their goals and objectives. Monthly reports. Every month, the public relation department is going to send monthly report to the management consisting of various activities of the department, development of the company, as well as the important information should reach the management regularly. These are the few functions of public relation officer. If every public relation officer is fulfill his function 100%, the company or organizations are going to reach the public. Thank you.